Hello kids! How do you feel today? Good! I have a picture of a cake. Do you like cakes, children?
Yes!
Very good! I love eating cakes too. But the question is, do you know how to bake a cake? That's good to hear, children. Here are the jumbled steps on how to bake a cake. Read and tell me or guess the correct process of baking a cake. Are you ready, children? Very good. I will give you 2 minutes to tell me the correct process of baking a cake. Time's up. Okay, good job, children. Now, can you tell me the correct process on how to bake a cake? Amazing, children! You did a great job! In today's lesson, children, you are expected to, first, you are going to define what data processing is. Second, you are going to identify the different steps in data processing cycle. And the third is you will show your responsibility in taking good care of computers. Did you understand me, children?
Yes!
Very good. A while ago, I asked you to tell me the correct process on how to bake a cake. If baking a cake, children, has steps on how to do it, in computer also we have a cycle that refers to the processing of all information we gathered going to the computer. This is what you call the data processing cycle. What is that again, children? Data processing cycle. Good job! Through this, people get information quickly. Did you get it, children? Good. Data has different forms. When all these data are processed and gathered, they become information. Here are some examples of data. Based on the table, names are data, numbers are data, pictures are data, and music or sounds in your computer are also data. Now, take a look at how computer performs in data processing cycle. What can you see in the pictures, children? Very good. So now, let us learn about them.
The first step in data processing cycle is the input. This is the step where you enter all the data you collected inside the computer using input devices such as keyboard and mouse. So that is input. Second, the computer does most of the processing needed. We basically give the computer a command by clicking a button using the mouse or entering keys using the keyboard. Inside the system unit is the central processing unit, which serves as the brain of the computer that processes data. Third, after the data is processed, the result will be shown on the monitor and can be printed using a printer. This is the output stage. Finally, this is the stage where you keep the data and information which you might need in the future is called storage. There are several computing storage devices that you can use, like USB flash drive, hard disk, and memory cards. Again, we have 4 steps in data processing cycle. These are input, processing, output, and storage. Did you understand, kids?
Yes!
Let us watch a presentation on how computer parts work together and you will do it by yourself. Can you do it, children? Very good. Now children, what have you learned in today's lesson? Let's recall. A computer undertakes a process called data processing cycle. When data is processed using a computer, they become a meaningful information. Next, again, what are the 4 steps in data processing cycle? Input, processing, output, and storage. Good job, kids! So now, what is input? Processing, output, storage. Okay, good. So now, children, please answer the activities posted on your LMS. Goodbye, children.